Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to know if someone is on another call on WhatsApp and guide you through the simple steps to check quickly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app, making sure you're logged into the correct account to access your chats properly. Step 2. Go to the Chats tab and scroll to find the person you want to call. Then tap their name to open the chat window where you can start the call. Step 3. Tap the phone icon at the top right corner to start a WhatsApp voice call. This button initiates the call to your contact. Step 4. Watch the top of the screen as the call connects. If it says calling, but you hear no ringing, the person is likely on another call and unavailable. Step 5. If you see ringing on the screen, that means their line is free and they are not on another call. You can also tell if someone is busy by noticing an in another call status, hearing a busy tone, or the call going to voicemail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tips.